you can undo stitches to help you figure out if you've skipped any stitches or put too many stitches in there. So let's say, for example, that I think that I should have an increase stitch in this stitch. So when I undo the current stitch, I'm gonna watch really closely what hole this second loop is gonna come out of. So I saw that it came out of this hole, and because I'm under the impression that I made an increase stitch, which by definition is 2 single crochet stitches in the same stitch of the previous round, it means that if I were to undo the next stitch, I would expect it to come out of this hole. If it doesn't come out of this hole, it means that I accidentally did not do a second stitch in there. But if it does come out of that hole, then I know I'm good. That was actually an increase stitch. I might have an error somewhere else. So I'm gonna hold onto my piece and then pull slowly. Feel that first pop of give, and then I'm gonna watch real closely what hole that second loop comes out of. And huzzah, I see that it came out of this hole and not the one next to it, when it should have come out of the one next to it. So that's how I could tell that I made a mistake over there.